Hey, folks, let's talk about trauma. Let's talk about the fact that we often downplay the trauma that we've experienced, or we downplay and belittle somebody else's trauma because we don't understand it because we haven't experienced it. Mm-mm. I need you to understand that something that might have been a big trauma to somebody else might not affect you very much because of who you are. But something that is a big trauma to you and has directly and deeply impacted your life, if that had happened to someone else, might not have affected them very much. And that's okay because all of us are different. We can't ignore the traumas that we've had in our life or downplay them and then expect to move forward in our lives without any kind of wounds or hurts or triggers. It doesn't work like that. So, what I need you to do is just take a minute and think about what trauma have you had that has affected you. Whatever you've experienced on a big level or a small level, think about how it impacts your life and think about how it has knock on effects with other people. Secondly, I need you to evaluate how you think about other people's trauma. Do you downplay or belittle them because you don't understand why something has impacted them so much? Do you need to? Can you not just give them empathy and say, I realize that it impacted you, and whether it would have impacted me, I can't judge you or how it impacted you. Look at yourselves, figure out what has impacted you and what you can work through, and maybe don't worry about other people. If they bring their information to you, show some empathy. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to see if I can get a trauma expert to make a video and share it with you about the impact of trauma, how we should deal with it, and maybe how we should see other people's experiences of trauma. It's just a thought I wanted to share with you. Thought exercise, something to think about. Thanks for listening. Bye.